Now, what I want is that when I execute the scenario for manual tester, then I should get the result for manual testers, right? And when I'm executing it for automation tester, I should get the result for automation tester, right? So I have two scenarios over here, one for manual tester and one for automation tester. And I want result as per these scenarios only. So what I'll do in my tester.java file, I only need to add this thing into a bracket, right? And then I need to pass some argument over here. Let's say this is a tester type. I'll create one variable. I'll say tester type, right? And I'll add this variable over here. Instead of manual tester, I'll break this and I'll add it. I'll say tester type, right? And when I save this and I'll run this again, run it at JUnit. So now you can see the first scenario has been executed for manual tester and the second one is for automation tester, right? So this is a way how we can distinguish in between the scenarios, right? So I'll be doing the same thing for rest of these annotations as well. So I'll put this in a bracket and then this will be a job type at the job type, right? And this thing again I'll say job type. Then I'll do this for the and annotation, for the but annotation, and here we have not satisfied, and this is what we have in both the scenarios. So this will be what name should we give? We'll say satisfaction type, right? We can go give any variable name over here, right? So this is just a concept, right? In real time we're gonna see in the framework how we're gonna implement it, but before implementing it these concepts should be very clear, right? And I'll give one variable over here, let's say parent satisfaction, right? And I'll give this over here, right? So we're done for all these annotations, and now what I'll do, I'll run this again. As soon as I run this, okay, both are passed. And if you see, for manual tester got less paid job, not satisfied, and parents are still satisfied. For automation tester got high paid job, very satisfied, and parents are highly satisfied, right? And even in the reports you're gonna see in reports we gonna get all these scenarios over here, all the steps under these scenarios over here. So this is how we're gonna distinguish in between the scenarios. We're gonna differentiate between these two scenarios, and we're gonna print the result based on the scenarios only, right? So now over here in the feature file, we have this as a keyword, right? Manual tester and automation tester. This is changing in both scenarios, right? So right now we know that this is a keyword, right? Now what, let's say if I show this file, this feature file, to my client or to some third person, right? So how will he know that what all keywords are there in this file? And let's say if after some time, let's say after 3-4 months, I again take a look at this file, will I be able to know that what all keywords are there, right? So what I'll do in this case, I'll put the keywords in double quotes like this, right? What all keywords that I have, I'll put them inside double quote, I'll put this and this and then this, then this, this, then this. Right. Now when I save this and when I run this again, see, I'll get an error like this. Right, it's saying me that I need to add these double quotes within my expression over here. If I'm changing that to keyword, I need to give double quotes over here as well. So I can give a double quotes like this, right? But this is again, it's giving an error, right? Because in Java, when you're giving a double quote inside a string, you need to give it something like this. You need to put a backslash over here before the string and then a backslash here before the string, like this way. And same thing we need to do over here. We need to put a backslash, then double quotes, then backslash, then double quotes. Then again backslash, double quotes, backslash, double quotes, right? Backslash, double quotes, backslash, double quotes, right? And if you see in the console, we can use this regular expression as well. Instead of using this refers to everything in that string. So if I change it to this will still gonna work. Same way you can change everything to this complete, right? Both will gonna work. So if I run this again, if I run it as JUnit test, you'll see that both the scenarios are executed and you'll see the same result that we have seen earlier. For manual testers, it has executed all the scenarios for manual tester, and for automation tester, it has executed the entire scenario for automation tester, right?